What's up, everyone? Welcome to another market forecast. Let's start with today's news drive. All right, so today's Tuesday. It is Thursday. We're only gonna have 8:30 a.m. New York local time high impact news. All right, be aware of that. My approach to news, some of you already know. I stopped trading 10 minutes before. Okay, to those type of news like unemployment claims are not as high impact as PPI, CPI, FOMC, NFP are. Okay, so my approach to those type of high impact news is to just wait 10 minutes, stop trading 10 minutes before the actual news is released, and come back when the volatility has calmed down, the spread has diminished a little bit, enough for us to come back trading. Okay, so regarding the news, that's it. Let's go to the actual market forecast. First DXY. All right. All right. So DXY monthly time frame, same thing, of course. On the weekly time frame, we have the same thing. Okay. Oh, and we have to mention that here we have a bullish order block. Okay, so price has been showing a bullish reaction from here, and the actual market forecast for today will take this order block into consideration so that we can find our bias, which is upwards bias. Okay. Daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we reacted out of a bullish order block, so we're building bullish market structure. Okay. 12-hour time frame, nothing that we should be aware of. 4 hour, nothing that we should be aware of, except of this sweep. Okay, on the 4 hour, we're clearly doing a sweep. Okay, which of course it can be a sweep once we've confirmed that we're probably going to be taking out this buy side liquidity. Okay, so for me, my bias on a DXY is bullish. Okay, I believe because of that, because of this daily bullish order block, weekly bullish order block here, we're very likely to walk towards this bearish order block on the weekly. Okay, so basically to this zone around here. All right. Um, okay, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we reacted. We are still reacting off a bullish fair value gap. Okay, so let's sync with the market narrative. Okay, so we're doing higher highs, higher lows. Okay, we did a higher high right here, and then the market came down into this fair value gap. Okay, and it showed a reaction up. After showing a reaction up, it just got into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. It reacted down to it, okay, and now it's showing a reaction on this very 1 hour fair value gap. If this fair value gap was marked down on the 30-minute, that's why it's not proper. But anyways, um, and on the 30-minute, we have a fair value gap, price close below this fair value gap. So maybe we're going to this low, okay? Uh, but my bias is bullish, okay, for today on DXY because of the higher time frames ideas, all right? So we may take this low, maybe take this low again, but I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity and then movement up, all right? A displacement on the higher time frames, it can be either this high would be enough. If you get a proper displacement on this high, all right, and we see a setup like order block coupled with fair value gap and a nice displacement up, all right, on the lower time frames, it will be enough for me, okay, to start looking for buys on DXY. And when I'm talking about buys on DXY, I'm talking about selling Euro USD, right? Euro USD market narrative is pretty much the same, but the only difference we have is that we have more and more confirmation factor. We don't have this. We don't have a bearish order block on the weekly time frame. But we do have an inverted fair value gap, which price has been reacting to. Okay, so if the power 3 is correct in this week, we're probably going to see this week closing inside of this fair value gap, all right? Which means that we had a huge movement up in this week, and now we're going to start seeing movement down, okay? Probably closing inside of this fair value gap, which means bearishness on your USD, which is aligned with the XY, which makes me interested in trading, okay? Daily time frame, not much we can talk about. 12-hour no, 4-hour no, 1 hour. Yeah, now things start getting interesting. Okay, so all right, this is the daily candle open. All right, so we kind of have a kind of had a manipulation up, okay, and then we moved down. All right, but then New York midnight open happened, okay, and then we saw a manipulation up to this zone, and then since the power 3 uh, includes manipulation, accumulation, and distribution, I believe we are still in a manipulation phase and on a bearish bias for Euro USD. I want to see a sweep of a high, which probably was this high. All right, so this is very likely to be a liquidity pool right here. Okay, liquidity pool. Okay, a liquidity pool to then move down. All right. Um, so I'm looking for sell. I would be looking for sells above the midnight open. I want to see this. I want to see this high being displaced. Where is this fair value gap? All right. I want to see this. I want to see this low being displaced. Okay, a nice displacement down, and then I will consider doing something in the marketplace. Okay. On a 15-minute, we have this fair value gap, and after sweeping this high right here, we came to this fair value gap, and it was respected. And I would like to see this Ravel gap not being respected. So I would like to see a displacement and then a candle closure below this Ravel gap and below this SL liquidity, and then I would be very interested in selling. All right. All right, we have this bull short block, mm, but we are awaiting a reaction on this Ravel gap, which is basically the same region as this bullish order block. Right, only 5 minutes. Not much I would like to see. Okay, I want to see a displacement only 15-minute or something like that. Okay, I think it's very likely that we're gonna go to this low right here. All right, and probably we are moving to get this sell side liquidity right here. Okay, let's see how the market evolves. All right, let's see how it develops. So we're going to your market forecast. That's it. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. I am very open to feedbacks. Okay, so anything you guys feel like you have to tell me, feel like I have to know, just comment down below. It doesn't matter. Like you can say like, oh, you suck. I don't care. Um, I'm expecting constructive critics. All right. Anyways, so my bias is bearish. I never use this indicator anymore. This watermark. My bias. Oh no, we have two. Now I just need one. Bearish bias. All right. So that's it, guys. Trade safe. Be aware. Up 8:30 a.m. New York local time news release. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, I'm not gonna repeat everything. That's it. Bye.